Hi there, I'm Mari, with some groundbreaking news to report that could disrupt everything. A group of young self-preneurs has been unleashed in Thrivetown and World Metaverse. People aren't sure if they're going crazy or just super creative. I'll let you decide. Welcome to the integral playground of Thrivetown World. This is the virtual reality digital double of the proposed future Thrivetown and facility at Oddie District, an up-and-coming community arts and innovation center for Reno and Sparks, Nevada. Here's our challenge. Can the Thrive Self-Preneur game of 5 levels of mastery actually inspire young people to build their personal and professional plans and portfolios, doing real-world projects that help improve their community and world? Let's ask the self-preneurs themselves. Our first stop, physical playground with Phil. Take it away, Phil.
Hi guys. What I love about this place is the variety of fitness equipment, the flex group activity space in there, VR and nature meditation, chill spaces over there, and the very cool mini eco-home with high-tech cooking, lighting, energy, edutainment and activities, and tools to optimize mind, body, spirit health, and longevity.
Next stop is emotional and social playground with our host, Essie.
I just love this space with the cool, colorful, comfy cafe tables, chairs, and sofas. Great for lunch and dinner events and performances on the stage. With food prep in the mini kitchen and Thrive Cafe and robot juice bar. Last week, kids did a smoothie making competition using robot assistants. This month, we had a poetry slam, a talent show, a comedy act, a project presentation, and community dialogue town hall, and a mariachi band.
Thanks, Essie. Hey, let's head to the Imaginal Playground where Ema is waiting for us. So why do you like this space so much, Ema?
I love hanging with my fellow creatives, making music, podcasts, videos, painting murals and canvases, drawing and scrapbooking with paper and digital art, repairing and upcycling clothing and jewelry. Most rewarding is when I coach group vision boarding to develop a shared idea for our personal, professional, and community thriving.
I love that too. Okay, everyone, follow me to see Max in the mental playground.
Greetings, Earthlings. Here you can travel anywhere and be with anyone, like project coaches on the other side of the world, on and off this planet. Here's the holodeck metaversal meetup room with digital walls, and here's mixed reality game lab with latest headsets. Out there is the mission to Mars simulation and hackathon event central.
Nice, Max. At any of the 30-plus computer kiosks around the town, self-preneurs manage their Thrive plan. Adios, amigos.